Hey guys, welcome back. So in the previous video, we learned about blogs, psychocentric and allocentric tourist. That was a classification according to psychological characteristics. So Eric Cohen has also given a typology of tourist based on psychological characteristics. These are here institutionalized and non-institutionalized. We have four different categories of tourists that are grouped into two broad categories that are institutionalized and non-institutionalized. In non-institutionalized, we have drifters and explorers. So these are the one who are seeking new experiences, new adventure. They are curious about new things, while the institutionalized ones that are individual mass and organized mass are seeking the familiar environment, seeking the security. They remain in all the environment bubble. So let's learn about them one by one. First we have organized mass. So he is the one who is least adventurous. Okay, so he is not into adventure at all. He spends most of his time in his comfort zone, his comfortable environment, that is same amenities he is seeking. He wants same facilities that he has in at his home, at his native place, same breakfast, same lunch, same kind of accommodation. So that's about organized mass tourist. He has no customization options available. So there's an itinerary that is pre-planned. He has to follow. He travels in group. So he has booked a group tour where group of people has agreed to a itinerary. They have no customization available. That's a pre-planned itinerary, pre-decided itinerary that they have to follow. So that is organized mass. Individual mass is also same kind of person who has who has who has booked a group tour. Okay, all the major arrangements are done through a travel agencies in groups, but he has a very little freedom. His itinerary is not entirely fixed. He has certain amount of control over his time and his activities, and he is not bound to group. Maybe in his itinerary there's a section, there's time for his own, where he can decide what he has to do at the site. However, an organized mass has no such freedom, no customization available. They move in groups and they spend most of the time in environmental bubbles. So that's pre-planned tour of organized mass tourist. And individual mass is also same. He has also booked a tour through travel agency tour operator, but he has certain control, a very little control. His whole itinerary is not fixed. He has some time for his own. He has some choices that he can make. So that's institutionalized tourists who are booked, who has booked the itinerary, booked the tour from a travel agency. They are in regular contact with the organization, the tour operator and travel agency. While non-institutionalized, they have shunned contact. They do not have regular contact with the organization. Okay, most of them have arranged their own tour, like an explorer who arranges his own trip alone himself. So he visits an unusual destination that is not the common destination. He finds unusual destination where he seeks comfort also, like comfort accommodation, comfortable transportation, but he tries to mix with locals and he dares to leave the environmental bubble. So he doesn't remain in environmental bubble. No similar kind of facilities, no similar kind of food, accommodation facilities at the destination, but he seeks comfort also. So he is also choosing the unusual destination, not the normal destination, not the popular destination, some unusual destination. That's about an explorer. While a drifter goes further away, like an explorer dares to leave the environmental bubble, while a drifter moves further away from this bubble. Okay, what he does, he he keeps away from all the establishments such as hotels or coaches. While he was seeking comfort, this explorer was seeking comfort, but a drifter keeps away from all of them. He immersed in the local culture, completely immersed in the culture. Like here we have, maybe he finds some job, he start working there. So the drifters are those who has no fixed itinerary, no timetable. They make their decision themselves, and they completely immerse in the local culture, and they also don't bother about the comfort and bother about the they they keep away from the tourist hotels, coaches. They mix with the local people. So that's about drifters and explorers. So these two are the non-institutionalized tourist. So here I hope you understand all four types of the tourist given by Eric Cohen. All four are categorized into two broad categories, institutionalized and non-institutionalized. Okay, thank you for watching this. Keep watching our videos, keep supporting us. Have a great day.